Right, we're in Hua Hin. I forgot my gimbal again. Stabilise it. Let's go to the beach. Right, again I forgot my gimbal, but I'll stabilise it in DaVinci Resolve. So we're on Hua Hin. Let's go to the beach. Little bookshop in Hua Hin there. Additional Thai massage if you want one. So the beach is down there. We're at DaVinci Road. We're going to get something to eat before we go down there though, I think. Street food there for you, Paul. Good channel that is. Expat Paul's little clothes shop in Hua Hin. Now if I believe what Hua Hin means head of the stone. Loads of seafood restaurants down here next to the DaVinci Road. Some Gucci clothing if you want some. These ganja cafes are, as I said, popping up absolutely everywhere now. Getting bored of seeing them now. This is the Hua Hin Brewing Company. Hilton Hotel. And Hua Hin. Very nice. Right, let's have a walk down here and find out how much this is here. I'll walk down here, do some filming. It takes about 3 hours to get here from the Southern Bus Terminal. I have a little video on that. I'll put that in the top right hand corner for you. 180 baht it cost me to get here on the bus. We'll just take a little walk down to this little place here. Looks quite cool. Little shops and stuff like that. Alright, I'm going to go and eat. I'll put all the links in the description as well. And yeah, please give us a like. And I'll go to the beach in a minute. Don't you worry, I'll get down there. Oh, a brief glimpse of the beach. Here we go, walking towards the beach now. I'm looking forward to having a look at this beach. Apparently, well, I know Hua Hin is one of the most beautiful beaches in the whole of Thailand. It's just so long and so yellow and crystal clear. Let's have a look at some boats first. Your Chinese shrine. You know I like my Chinese shrines. We won't do that today. I'm more interested in this beach. All the stones, Hin. Well, if you do walk along here, get bombarded with "Have a seat, sir. Have a drink, sir. I love you, sir." Something like that. If you're tall like me, this is not a good idea to walk under the umbrellas. Well, I'm trying to get out of the sun. Horse riding? God knows how much it is. I'm looking at Oscar, otherwise I get touted left, right and centre. So where those horses were stationed, this is where the exit is up to the little beach market. We'll have a little look up here as well, why not? Obviously it's all trendy swimwear. That's at 150 baht. If you want to get some seashells at the seashore, you can, 20 baht. Yeah, this little market's all beachwear and stuff like that. Cool, bud. Nice little market. And you can rent a bike as well. Well, leave it there. Like and subscribe. Take care. Peace, love and unity. I'm Paul. Bye bye.